monster!
I can't help you, Max. I've got to get rid of these hiccups. Max, there are other ways to play monster. If you look in your room, you'll find lots of other stuff to play monster with.
Max, Ruby is right. You have to play somewhere else so Ruby can get rid of her hiccups. Well, Book knows everything, especially for BFDI.